Hi everybody! So napagdesisyonan po namin pumunta ng Dahilayan Forest Park ngayon because it is super duper hot right in the middle of the day. And
I'm
today
brown
is
out.
scheduled brownout from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So, dobling init kasi sobrang init na nga, summer pa, tapos wala pang kuryente. Pupunta po tayo ng Dahilayan Forest Park! So, update na lang po kung overnight lang po kami or 2 araw po kami nandun. Right? So, hi guys. As we were on our way to Cagayan, we found this mini resort right between Hingoog and Cagayan. This is called the... Titingnan lang muna namin. Wow! It's nice! Guys, I fear that the view, they love the view. Habang nag-i-inquire sila ng room rates, nandito kami. Tinitignan namin yung mga koi fish. Grabe na pagka-spontaneous trip. Wala talagang plano. Well, may plano naman talaga kasi Dahilayan Forest Park na yung pupuntahan. Pero nga, we're exploring our choices. Right? Mother, parang ayaw nyo nang umalis dito ha. Look at that view. Look at that view, oh. This is the reason why they're interested in this resort. Look at that. This is so guys. I believe the people have already decided we're gonna stay one night here. Then by tomorrow, dadiretso kami ng Dahilayan Forest Park. See? Because walang budget. Walang budget. Madam. No budget? No budget. Guys, later I'm gonna show you this resort because it's so nice. They're operating for 5 years pa lang. It's good. So ayun. We have booked the Barkadahan room which is puno siya ng mga double decks. What? Look at that view.
It's the view.
It's the view. It's the view. Look at that. Right? Then by tomorrow, pupunta po kami ng Dahilayan Forest Park. Dediretso po kami doon because we're gonna do some adventure things like slides, zip lines, sana sipagin ako mag-edit ng vlog na to. Because yung pinaka last na vlog ko was 2 years ago, I suppose. That was still in Hong Kong. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-vlog ulit. Oh my gosh! Grabe, like, ang dami talaga nangyayari sa buhay. There are things that you cannot handle altogether. So, you need to choose practicality over passion. And I choose practicality. At the end of the day, gets yun na ako. Wow!
Speech. Kuya na tanga.
Look at that. Look at these. Who would agree? Carbonara is better than spaghetti. Right? Right? My goodness. So, andito na kami sa room. So, I'm just waiting for the other people na matapos maligo. And ako na naman ang manliligo after. This is the room. Yan. Bunk beds. Because this, pang barkadahan kasi talaga tong room na to. So, ito na lang yung kinuha namin because this is the bigger room. Right?
I'm gonna show you this I am well.
So I think that's just for today. So by tomorrow, kita-kits na lang tayo sa Dahilayan Adventure Park. Bye-bye! Good morning! So it's currently 7:08 in the morning. We just woke up. Actually ako kanina pa ako nakagising and nakalipad na ako ng drone. Sila kagising lang nila. Babalik na kami dun sa may restaurant because kakain na kami ng breakfast and baliligo kami ulit ng pool. Because after this, lagat na kami. So while we're on our way sa restaurant to eat some breakfast, you guys enjoy some aerial shots by my drone. Nah. Our breakfast just arrived. 2 spam silog, 1 bangosog, casino, Hungarian, and papa. This is my breakfast. I already had 1 iced Americano and I want to order another one because you could never max out with coffee. We just finished eating breakfast. This is my second iced Americano. And I'm on my way back to our room kasi magpe-prepare na kami. I'm gonna take a bath. Ayusin ko na yung mga gamit ko kasi alis na kami. We're gonna go to Dahilayan Forest Park and then we're gonna spend another night there. Then we're gonna do some rides and shit. Yeah. Nandito na tayo sa Dahilayan Forest Park. It was a long ride, 2 hours to be exact. No? We already had our lunch, nag-Jollibee lang kami. And I just want to update you guys na hindi na pala sure na dito kami matutulog sa Dahilayan Forest Park. So there's a possibility na hindi kami dito matutulog and magbubok kami ng hotel sa Cagayan de Oro. Wow! Sponty yarn! Dahilayan Forest Park Resort!
The man who can't... Ay.
The man who can't move.
Wala nakatunog guys.
I like my glasses. Thanks, EO. What rides are you gonna ride for today?
Everything.
Everything? Everything, everywhere, all at once.
Everything in this earth.
Kakatapos lang namin sa rainbow slide. Sayang lang because it's not allowed to record yourself once you ride the rainbow slide.
Zipline.
Oh, sa zipline pwede.
Kuya, kita doon.
Ha?
Line.
No.
Yeah.
Andrea. Okay. Okay, everybody. Bye. Look at that. Yes! Oh my youth! Look at that! Woo! Oh! Thank you po! for any of you wondering, ba't dalawa na lang kami ni Althea nagsasama ngayon? It's because tinatamad na po yung tatlo. Si Ayan tsaka si Anthony nagsi-zipline, naka-separate line sila. Kami Althea, naka-separate line din po kami. So sila, Mommy, Papa, and Ethan, naiwan po sila dun sa may forest park. Kami, lumipat na kami dito sa adventure park. Kasi gustong-gusto talaga namin mag-zipline eh. Tapos na kami sa zipline lahat. Razorback na din kami. Let's go! Woo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Finish. Hi everyone! So guess what? Asan ako ngayon? I'm actually back in Manila right now. And upon editing the video, I just realized na I didn't even take some shots to finish the vlog. Dito ko lang siya na-realize na hindi ako naka-video ng finale. Tapos dito pa ako sa Manila nag-vlog talaga, ano? From Bukidnon to Manila, like wow. See, this is my problem talaga when I do vlogs. Like I always tend to forget to create finale shots. Like how to end the video. That's my problem talaga when I do vlogs. But well, ito na yon. As far as I remember kasi, after nung nag-rides kami, dumiretso na kaming umuwi. Kasi si Ethan, ay ako naman ang bata na yan talaga na para bang nawala siya sa mood, palagi siyang umiiyak kasi gusto niya nga mag-rides, gusto niya sumama sa amin. Gusto niyang itry yung zipline or kundi gusto niya ding itry yung razorback. Pero kilala naman talaga namin siya. Kapag nandun na siya sa rides, naaano siya, like natatakot na siya. Like doon na siya nagbaback down. So parang sinasabi namin na wag ka nang sumama kasi hindi mo naman kaya talaga. Slide pang, yung rainbow slide pa nga lang, hindi na niya kaya. Diba, nasayang lang yung ticket. So sinabi namin siya na wag ka nang sumama sa zipline tsaka sa razorback. Kasi mas malala yun sa rainbow slide. See, so ayun. So after that, parang nawala ng mood lahat. Edi nagsiuwian, diretso umuwi, 'di ba? Umalis kami ng 4 PM, nakarating kami sa bahay around 8:39. So ayun. Enjoy mo na lang tong drone shots ko ng Claveria. Bye!